Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of Galaxy Book2 Pro 360 15.4 inches. Okay, okay, so here is the laptop. This I guess is the bill. Laptop's packaging looks very sleek. And the box itself is like really long. We have Microsoft Home and Student branding here, and we get Word, Excel and PowerPoint. I think those are for free, and these are the specifications. So this is 512 GB NVMe PCI 3 model, and of course it's a Core i7 12th gen, and it comes with Windows 11 Home and a 16 GB DDR5 RAM. Yeah, so this is like sorted. You cannot upgrade the RAM, but of course we can change or upgrade the SSD here. And of course we have 802 Wi-Fi module and Bluetooth 5.1. Yeah, so there are like 4 seals along the 4 corners. Let's open up. Nice. So this is the laptop itself. We have a USB-C to C cable. The cable itself is like, it feels really strong, and it's okay, the length is okay, but I would have liked it if it was a little bit longer. What's here? Okay, this is the hard brick charger. I think it's 65 watt if I'm not wrong. Super fast charging. There is the super fast charging written here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I think you can also charge mobile phones, and mobile phones like S22 Ultra will charge at 45 watts, I believe. So yeah, this charger is like really good. This is, what is this? Okay, we have an S Pen here and some documentation, and I believe that's it for this box. The S Pen itself is also like, it feels really nice. It's not like some cheap pen. This actually feels nice. Now coming to the main part, the laptop itself. One hand opening, and it opens nicely. So this is the laptop itself. So the trackpad is like positioned not in the center but little bit towards the left side because we have a number pad here. If you can zoom in, so the keyboard, it's really nice, and we have a power button here with the fingerprint reader. So let me remove the sticker here and press this button. I don't know if it is charged or not. Let's see. It's not switching on, so I believe there is no charge. On the sides we have two USB ports here. This is Thunderbolt and this is USB-C, and over this side we have another USB-C and a micro SD card reader with 3.5mm jack. We have a AKG sound by AKG branding here, and of course these four rubber feet, and this is like some perforated holes here, but it doesn't like feel like there are holes here. It just is a smooth feeling, and this is like, it looks like some brownish color. It doesn't feel black. It looks like some ash mixed with brown, you know. So this, for example, is black, and if you just put it here, I guess you can see the difference. This is black and this is like, this has some brownish feel to it, brownish ash mixed feel. But yeah, and of course you can do this thing, you can turn it this way. So let me just charge this thing and just I'll show you the boot up time, not the boot up time but just the screen and all. So I just plugged in this laptop and then switched it on. So it had around 27% battery, but I don't know why it didn't switch on the first time we tried. So I'm just setting this thing up now, and the initial impression of the touch screen, it's really nice, I would say. It feels very similar to a phone's touchscreen, because initially this is like my personal laptop which has a touchscreen, but initially when I used touchscreen laptops, they were not like, you know, very good, but this feels like really premium and really nice. So that's one thing. So I have kept it for charging now. You can see that there is this blue LED indicator which lights up when we plug it in for charging. Let me remove this. There are like lot of updates going on, so it's running pretty hot right now, and I just wanted to show you where this S Pen sticks. So we can just keep it like this over here, so it just sticks here nicely. It actually also sticks here, but it's not like very magnetic, but here it's like really snug, you know, it won't go anywhere. I believe it also sticks here. Yeah. Oh wow, this is like, it's like very, you know, strong here. So yeah, you can place it in multiple locations. That's one thing. And I have just opened up Paint here, and before this I just wanted to like show you how videos and stuff looks. So of course you can just scroll with your finger and play whatever you want. I'm into Elden Ring, so yeah, I watch a lot of Elden Ring videos.
On back to the walkthrough, episode 20, and we are about to get a +10 weapon.
Yeah, so that's regarding the screen and everything, and I would say that the screen actually looks really nice. I know I cannot do justice
you.
in the camera, but you know, the screen actually looks like fantastic. I cannot like stress more on that. And sadly the speakers are like okay, because before I was using a MacBook, and MacBook speakers are like industry standard, you know, they are like really really great, but these are okay. I wouldn't say they are bad, but you know, when you compare them to MacBook, then they are like okayish. And just wanted to show you what we can do in Paint, and let me just turn it into the tablet mode. Okay, and where was the Paint? Okay, so I guess we can, I just wanted to see the palm rejection and as you can see, it's not rejecting my palm really nicely. So as you can see, it's like writing stuff. So let me try it here. What's up? So yeah, yeah. So if we place our palm here, then it's like really not that great. But if I just write it like this without my palm touching, then that's really great. So maybe they can fix it with a software upgrade, but I don't know. You don't buy products based on what they'll do in the future, you know. So if you just use it like this without touching the screen with your palm, the palm rejection is not that great. So without touching it with your palm, then it's like really great, and it really is very very fast, as you can see. So let me just show it like this. You see, so the latency is like very very low, I would say. So really great for online presentations and Skype calls and Zoom calls and team calls and you know whatnot. So this was one of the main reasons, the touchscreen thing with the S Pen, why I preferred this laptop. Let's see how it goes, and I think that was a quick overview of this laptop. The hinge mechanism also feels great, and I would say the keyboard also is really nice. Typing experience is also like good with whatever I just used, and yeah, feels really nice. So I would say it's a pretty good laptop, and it's nice and value for money. So I would say that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.